Brinley Norfolese. I tell you what we'll do, Bronte, is we'll come back and talk a little bit more about Max Reynolds. There's just some information I want to pass along about him being today's four-state hero. But first, let's jump into our birthday list with Brinley Norfolese, who's turning the big number 6. I hope maybe you're on spring break, kiddo. I'm not sure. She's in Carl Junction. And Brinley, this comes with happy birthday from Grammy and the entire family.
Up next, we have Connor Mitchell turning 7 years old. He is out of Webb City. Happy birthday, Connor.
Gabe Huthsing is turning 9. Had a birthday over the weekend right there. Great smile, kiddo. And this birthday wish comes with love from Mom and Dad.
Up next, we have Walker Stipp turning 9 years old, and Walker is out of Frontenac. Happy birthday.
Hallie Mulligan, she is also turning 9. What a gorgeous dress, Miss Hallie. A happy birthday to you in Galena.
Next, we have Tate Pike turning 10. Tate is out of Nevada, and you have a special message, love from Nanny and Poppy.
Ethan Adam with a 14th birthday. Ethan, a very happy birthday to you. He celebrates in Pittsburgh, celebrating that golden birthday, turning 14 on the 14th with love from the family.
Next, we have Brett Johnson turning 17 years old, and Brett is out of Parsons. Happy birthday.
After Brett Johnson, we have Braden Yarnell, who's turning 18. Braden, a happy birthday in Erie.
Next, we have Shelby Corbus turning 20. Shelby is from Pittsburgh, and you have a special birthday message with love from Mom and Dad.
Let the party commence in Sarcoxie as Eli Meyer is celebrating number 21. The birthday coming over the weekend on Friday. And Eli, this comes with love from the entire family.
Okay, next we have Ryan Coaster turning 24 years old. And Ryan is in Chanute.
We've got a Monken birthday, and it is Miss Ashley. Ashley, a very happy 36th birthday to you. Love the Monken family.
Also in Chanute, we have Morgan Dewey turning 39 years old. And you have love from family out in Iola.
Erin Hensley with a 41st birthday. Miss Erin, a very happy birthday to you as well.
In Pittsburgh, we have Alicia Norris turning 49 years old. Happy birthday, Alicia.
All right, in Dunweg, a happy 68th. Mr. Ronald Saxon. Ronald, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come from your wife, Felix. So Ronald, I want you to have a marvelous birthday, sir.
Okay, next, out of Humboldt, turning 97, we have Neil Hartwig Sr. So we hear that he loves these restored 1919 Indiana tractors. So, and you have birthday wishes coming from your blood family, H&H Grill family, and the entire town of Humboldt, Kansas. Happy birthday, and you're also one of our many four-state heroes.
Cole and Courtney Edwards, congratulations. They're celebrating their first anniversary, and what a marvelous picture there. Cole and Courtney, I want you to have a great anniversary week. They're in Fredonia.
Also celebrating an anniversary, we have Rory and Lisa Chaplin celebrating their 18th anniversary, and they're out of Fort Scott.
Larry Sands celebrating. Wow, Larry, where's the birthday? Where's the birthday picture? We'll find out here. Larry, a very happy birthday in Erie. Also, speaking of pictures, Christy Watson Bell. What a marvelous person right there. Christy, you know we love you, and a very happy birthday. And wait a second. Will York is supposed to get pictures because he's the one each and every morning, and Will folks does such a marvelous job. But Jeff and Melissa, who are one of his uncles and aunts, they are celebrating their 40th anniversary in Lawton. So congratulations to Larry, Christy, and Jeff and Melissa. Now, here's Bronte Sorotsky with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
I want